Fenugreek is distinguished by its numerous properties and its richness in vitamins and minerals necessary for the growth and strengthening of the body. The benefits of fenugreek for the body include its active role in helping to treat certain health conditions, such as the benefits of fenugreek for diabetes. It was found that one of the benefits of fenugreek is its help in controlling blood sugar levels in diabetic patients, and this may be due to the role of fenugreek in improving insulin function and reducing the absorption of sugar from the intestine. And this is not the only benefit of fenugreek in relation to diabetes. Fenugreek has also been found to help reduce the incidence of diabetes. In a 2015 study of 140 people with prediabetes, which lasted for 3 years, it was found that people who took 10 g of fenugreek powder daily had a 4.2 times lower chance of developing diabetes compared to those who did not take fenugreek. The benefits of fenugreek for high fat. The use of fenugreek can help reduce the levels of total cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, and this benefit can be due to the benefits of fenugreek because it contains steroidal saponins that prevent the absorption of cholesterol and triglycerides from the digestive tract. The benefits of fenugreek for cardiovascular diseases. In addition to the benefits of fenugreek in reducing cholesterol, one of its benefits for heart health is that it helps reduce the risk of heart attacks, as it contains galactomannan, a natural sugar, which is a soluble fiber known for its ability to promote heart function and vascular health. Also, fenugreek can keep blood pressure within normal limits and help regulate heart rate. It is rich in potassium and low in sodium. The benefits of fenugreek for the treatment of infections. Fenugreek seeds help reduce inflammation in both internal and external types in the body. They contain a number of components that have an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect, including linoleic acid, flavonoid compounds. The benefits of fenugreek for diseases of the gastrointestinal tract. Fenugreek is very useful for the health of the stomach and colon, as one of the benefits of drinking fenugreek daily is that it helps treat digestive problems, including heartburn. It was found that fenugreek can act similarly to antacid drugs. Therefore, it is possible to reduce the severity of heartburn. Intestinal infections, as fenugreek soothes gastrointestinal infections by forming a layer that protects the intestinal lining. The benefits of fenugreek for kidney disease. Fenugreek helps reduce calcification of kidney tissue and the formation of stones in it when there is an increase in the percentage of calcium in the kidney tissue, and therefore one of the benefits of drinking fenugreek is that it reduces the formation of stones in addition to having antioxidant properties. The benefits of fenugreek for hair. Fenugreek seeds and leaves contain many nutrients that play an important role in stimulating hair growth, the most important of which are iron and protein. They also contain flavonoids and saponins, which are believed to increase hair growth due to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. Among the benefits of fenugreek for hair are the following: hair loss treatment, treatment of baldness, increased density of light hair. The benefits of fenugreek for men lie mainly in its help to increase and improve testosterone levels in the blood, which helps in increased libido, improve sexual performance and erection, increased sperm count, improve physical activity and endurance in athletes, improve mood and mental alertness. The benefits of fenugreek for women include the benefits of fenugreek for milk production. It was found that eating fenugreek increases the production of milk in the breast of lactating women, and it also helps to increase its flow out of the breast. The benefits of fenugreek for the treatment of polycystic ovaries, as taking fenugreek helps reduce the symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome, including irregular menstruation. Benefits of fenugreek for the menstrual cycle. It helps reduce the symptoms of PMS, including painful cramps. The benefits of fenugreek for menopause, as it helps reduce hot flashes and mood changes in postmenopausal women. The benefits of fenugreek for childbirth. It significantly reduces labor pain and also makes the process of giving birth to a baby easier by stimulating contractions of the uterine muscles. Benefits of fenugreek for breast augmentation. This is due to the fact that it contains compounds that have an effect such as phytosteroids. There are still critical opinions about the relationship of fenugreek and weight. There are those who say that fenugreek helps to lose weight, while for others, it is the other way around. Fenugreek contains many vitamins and nutrients that make it effective in enhancing nutrition for a person and increasing his weight, and one of the benefits of fenugreek for weight gain is that it also helps to get rid of nutrition problems such as anorexia, improves appetite and the ability to eat. The benefits of fenugreek for weight loss. It has been found that one of the benefits of fenugreek for slimming is that it helps increase the feeling of fullness and satiety in the individual, which may help reduce overeating and weight loss. And this is due to the abundant amount of fiber contained in fenugreek, which helps to increase the feeling of satiety. How to use the ring. Fenugreek leaves, seeds, or even stems can be eaten, and the way fenugreek is eaten depends on the purpose behind eating it and the benefits of fenugreek to be obtained, and the fenugreek plant is available in various forms, such as herbs or a dietary supplement. The most common form is pills or capsules. Fenugreek can also be brewed in the form of tea or ground and combined with other ingredients to make a substance that is applied to the affected skin. Ring damage. The damage of fenugreek lies in causing a number of side effects, especially when taken in large quantities, and these side effects include diarrhea, disorders of the stomach, dizziness, headaches, the smell of urine, sweat, or breast milk changes. Precautions for the use of fenugreek. Despite the many benefits of the ring, care must be taken when using the ring for a number of categories, as the ring can have additional damage to these categories, including pregnant women, babies, patients with any type of cancer are affected by hormones, patients with diabetes, patients taking blood thinners, patients taking blood thinners.